Today we are doing a Sunday reset, and I've already kind of started. My bed is just full of stuff right now. I'm just finished dusting. I'm about to vacuum my reading chair, which is very old. It used to be my daughter's chair when she was like growing up, so it's all like stained and worn in, but it definitely needs a good vacuum. Do that, and yeah. Again, I already started, but I kept thinking to myself, I should do just like a cute Sunday vlog, and I need to dust my bookshelf, get rid of some things, so let's get into it. But first, I don't know if I mentioned this yet, but I have this cute Universal Monsters ambiance on here on the TV. I'm going to play some music, but it's so cute because it has the old movies, just like clips of it, not the whole movies itself. And then you have like the little stuffy, the little trick-or-treat bucket, and then Funko and action figure. So, and then a little pumpkin in the corner. Super cute. This is kind of that point where everything's kind of like bunched together because you need it out of the way, you're mopping, but like there's progress being made, but you're also like trying not to have a heart attack because everything is everywhere, like out of place. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at. So that's where I'm at. Things are getting done, but like when there's a pile of stuff on my bed that does not belong there, I just kind of like lose it, but yeah. I put my comforter in the dryer. I'm sorry, I put it in the washer because just after like dusting and everything, I just feel like everything kind of fell, and so I wanted to go ahead and throw it to wash even though I had just washed it. But yeah, everything in my room now is completely like, even here, like some of it doesn't really look um, clean, but it's just like speckled from like when they sprayed, but it's all like the little accent areas have been dusted. We wiped down, we mopped, of course we vacuumed. I dusted the blinds, all of them. And so yeah, the room is totally clean. Next weekend is our birthdays, and super excited for that. We don't have anything planned because we're old, but it's going to be exciting to be together. And then the weekend that we go to Horror Nights, we planned it because my son is going to be turning 15 years old. What is life? What is life? So we're going to go to Halloween Horror Nights for my son's 15th birthday, and obviously that's instead of throwing a party. So very excited for that. And again, I'm gonna rest for a little bit. I did start on the locked door. So I think tonight, once I get all showered up, that I also want to pick up, I think it's this week, that Sin Lin Yu, I think is her name. If I'm butchering that, I'm so sorry. But I read her fan fiction for Harry Potter that she later reworked in order to turn into a novel. So I read the fan fiction, which is called, I'm so freaking tired right now. I read the fan fiction of hers. Why can't I think? A later date, I need to reorganize my bookshelf by like, I used to have it by like genre, like thrillers, romance, dark romance, fantasy. I used to have it all nice, and now I don't, but I just did not have it in me today to do that. I dusted everything, so hopefully this week I can get to that and reorganize it. I have cute little like bookshelf things that say like thriller and stuff like that, so want to do that. And then my friends at Fantasy Sub gifted me this, so it's actually like the little, and they're a small business, so Disney inspired shop. They make these. It tells you how much battery it has. You flip open this little top. I've been using it like crazy. I've had it for like 2 months already, and then it will charge your phone. So I'm gonna have my phone charging. I'm gonna recharge. Again, this is from Fantasy Sub. I always have this because it just makes it easier for me in case I need like something to hold stuff, and then it collapses and you can put it away. It's just like a TV tray type thing. But I just use it like when I need extra things, like just extra like tabletop space, and then I can collapse it when I'm done. It's gonna feel so good tonight to like lay down in such like a clean room. I don't think I'm gonna paint the baseboards today. I don't know who I thought I was when I said that, but everything's clean. And week that we will go to like Target or Ross or Marshall's and get some like fall inspired bedding and sheets. I think that will be fun. So maybe I'll put that in like the vlog portion. This is more of like the cleaning. But yeah, I think that will be so fun to update the bedding. But for now, I do need clean sheets and comforters. Okay, friends, so we're here at Ross. I wanted to look for the fall bedding. So let's see what we can find. I'm crossing my fingers. I haven't seen anything like posted that really like caught my eyes. So maybe we can find something here. I definitely want new sheets and like a fall comforter. So yeah, let's go see what we can find here at Ross. The options. I do need like a king, and these are the options. I do need a king, and I'm not loving anything here. Let me find out. This is going to be harder than I thought. I wanted like a cute brown fall type of bedding. Let's keep looking. It's kind of cool. It's not really fall. I mean, it's like gray. I don't know if you can see like the color. let's keep looking. So I did end up finding a comforter, bed in a bag style comforter set for my bedroom. And sorry if it's a little shaky, you guys are on my phone. And I just got out of the shower, obviously, super red. Again, I did find a bed in a bag style comforter at Ross, which I'm so surprised. I thought they were gonna have like a bunch. I feel like whenever I'm not looking for a comforter, I find all these options. So I did find something. I still need to find a fall winter inspired throw, and I think maybe I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, like better quality sheets, because these sheets are fine for right now. They came with the comforter, so that's fine for now. I would just like better quality sheets, because I feel like if they're too thin, they won't last. But again, these came with the comforter, so let me show it to you. I feel like, so because it's like some parts are like that, I feel like it makes it like super puffy, which makes it then cozy. Maybe I'm going crazy, I don't know, but I feel like it looks really cozy. I don't know, I feel like that's a little too farmhouse for me. So maybe I'll buy some covers for those and just keep those as like the standard pillow, because like this is not a farmhouse, you know? So I think maybe I'll find covers for those. And then I've had this sweater knit throw. I feel like these are always comfy and cozy, but they do snag super easy. But I've had this one, so I just threw it at the end. Ideally, I would like either an orange or like a warmer brown. I just want it to feel warm and cozy. But yeah, now that I'm looking at that, that's absolutely gonna have to change. I'll buy covers for those. But I think overall, the room looks good, looks clean. I'm excited. So like, if you've been here for this video, thank you so much for watching. I know it's not my normal video, like kind of video, but I do want to incorporate more like clean with me, reset with me, routines. I just have a lot of growth that I want to do on my channel. A lot of that has to do with my home. So if you like my style of decor that I have now, you know, been doing, and you're interested in like the home, the holidays, the cozy, make sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you here, a part of my little internet family. And yeah, I'm just very excited for the holidays. I have some cozy little vlogs coming out, having to do with baking, having to do with all that fun stuff that is cozy and homey. And it's just kind of like a soft alternative home lifestyle channel is kind of like where I'd like to take this, because these are things that I do. I reset my home, I clean my home, I decorate my home, and I end up having people message me on Instagram asking me about like my home decor, asking me like what color, you know, my walls are, because I didn't always have like a cool accent wall. Like, so yeah, I think that if you're into all those things, just make sure to subscribe. Tomorrow is my birthday, I'm so excited. And then Sunday's my husband's birthday, and then the following week is my son's birthday. So a lot of festivities happening in the house. I'm going to pick up this video during a birthday weekend vlog. So if you're interested, make sure to stick around for that. And again, I am so excited that you guys are here, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.